Hey, Scott Lara, president of militaryfairs.com on board the MSC Seashore. I'm in the thermal area of the spa. Now this is very nice. And you have to check with the spa regarding the hours and everything that's available. But I believe I get 1 hour for free because I'm gold on my loyalty. And the only reason I'm gold is because it's a loyalty match, right? So it was a loyalty match from both Carnival and from my 3-star on Holland America line. So they matched me for gold on here. So this is pretty nice, right? But they say I get an hour here for free, which I think is pretty cool. And it's a very nice area. Now it is around 8 o'clock. And so it's kind of not crowded or anything. But a bucket you pull on yourself. Now in this area too, I've seen that in the spa, see here's these beds, these ceramic beds that are warm. Got a hot tub here. Ah, okay, a snow room? Oh, just like Chicago. Where are you from? Where? Oh, my daughter and son-in-law live in Longwood.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See you, my friends. Here's the snow room, How are you today, my friend? Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines, sir.
I love the Filipino people. You are very kind. Eat. Food. Chicken adobo.
Food is life.
Rice is power. Right?
Yeah.
Rice is power.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, my friend. Here's the snow room. Now, you remember there is a snow room at the resorts in the Palladium Resorts, TRS. So this is snow room here, it's cold in here, buddy. It is cold. All right, let's get out of this. Hey man, you don't want to be locked in here. Emergency call button in case you get stuck in the snow room. Oh my gosh. Scott, watch your step. So here's a hot tub here. Now what's over here? Something here. Is that open? Come on, Scott, open it. Oh, here's another. Now this is warm in here. This is a warm area. Kind of cool. The warm area is kind of cool. The warm area, what is it called? It's the Salt Relax. Now again, I get this for an hour for free. But again, I'm sure you got to pay if you want to come, like for a day pass or something like that. And I got to find out all the details on that, but I was able to slide in here. Let's take a look over here. Okay. This is a vertical. Okay, great. The bright sensory steam bath. A bright sensory steam bath. Okay, we'll try that out. I'm gonna come here. Now here's the deal. Let me give you a super secret tip. Oh, look at this. I guess you walk around this path and then the different water jets hit you a different way, right? All right, so anyway, you got like a circuit, I think you do here, right? Just like at Zentropia at Palladium or TRS. The dark sensory steam bath. Dark sensory. It's dark in here. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's gonna happen. You have to be careful about that. All right, what's over here? This is the cold storm. The cold storm. I don't know if I want to go in here. Cold. See, look at this. On this side it says cold rain. This side it says cold storm. That's a pretty cool name. Cold Storm. My name is Cold Storm. Like my brother, Max Power. So this is the thermal area here on board the MSC Seascape. You've got to find out the details from the spa staff, how much it is for a day pass. But because I'm gold level with MSC, I get a free hour. Open the door, Scott. I get a free hour. So then you come out here, and now we're walking this way. So anyway, MSC Seashore, I am loving this ship. It's big, it's new, it's modern, it's tech savvy. Tech savvy, what do you mean by that, Scott? Well, they got these giant iPads in the hallways as you're walking around, and you can book reservations for shows. You can book reservations for dinner. I mean, it's kind of like having the app, the MSC For Me app, right there on a big iPad in the hallway. So if you're walking down the hallway, you can book stuff. And that's what I did yesterday. I booked the rock show, the 9:30 rock show. Oh, there's a hazard to navigation right there. Maybe it's a buoy. No, it's not a buoy. I don't know what it is. It's something there. It's a hazard to navigation, man. You don't want to hit that thing. You're gonna be in trouble. I don't know if it's lit or not. Little islands, look at that. You could go to those little islands and plant your flag and say it's yours. So anyway, again, this is a monster ship. It is just huge. But what the best part about this cruise on December 3rd, 2023 is there's only 4,400 people on the ship, not the normal 5,500. And that means, it means a lot. Number one, it means that when you board, it's not as crowded. I mean, I boarded at 1:30. I mean, I blinked and I was on the ship. Got out of my van, went up the escalator, boom, go to station 25, boom, here you go, boom, I was on the ship. I blinked. It was that fast. But again, it was at 1:30, and again, only 4,400 passengers instead of the 54 or 5,500 that can be on this ship. You know, I've sailed over 150 days on Holland America. I've sailed over 75 days on Carnival. I've sailed on Royal Caribbean. I've sailed on NCL. I've sailed on Virgin Voyages, which was amazing. Pretty much an all-inclusive cruise. No kids, free Wi-Fi, free soda, an amazing atmosphere. But I will say on this ship, I really like the ship. I like the people. The food is good. It's a great ship. How you guys doing today? You doing all right? Having fun? All right. Here's the deal. Want to do something fun? I'm a reporter. Okay. You say Scott, you say Lara, and the other person says USA. Ready? USA. There you go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Feel free to give me a round of applause. Thank you. You're very kind. Thank you. All right. I tell you, what a beautiful ship. How you doing? What's your name? Oh, how are you? Are you from India? Yeah. Oh, good. You having fun? Yeah. Good. Hi, how are you? What's your name? What's your name? Soraya. I'm Scott Lara. How are you? I'm fine, and you? I am great. Okay. You having fun? I'm from Brazil. I have one word for you. Picanha. You're from Brazil? Yeah. Picanha. Oh. I love picanha. Okay. Thank you, my friend. These people, it's just a waste. Everybody's saying hello. I can't even have a private. Who's your friend? Oh, hi, what's your name? Flavia? Oh, I have a friend by the name of Flavia. I like that name. I love picanha. It's very good. Oh, wait. Oh, hey, how you doing?
Hello.
What's your name?
Tony.
Hi. Okay, you say Scott. Say Scott. Say Scott.
Okay.
Okay, you say Lara. You say USA. Ready?
Yes.
That's me. I don't think they understood what I'm trying to tell them. They're from Brazil. They don't understand saying Scott, Lara, USA. Here's the ship right here. That says Ocean Cay. People from Brazil. Picanha is a very good delicacy. Let me use that. Picanha is amazing meat. Eat it at Terragacho in Jacksonville. And the reason I know about picanha is because of some very good friends of mine are from Brazil, and they told me about it. All right, so anyway. All right, let's go back here. People on their balconies. MSC Seashore. About 160,000 tons, which is smaller than an Oasis class ship. Now, people always ask me, hey, Scott, hey, what? Oh, that means if you put the ship on a scale, it would weigh 160,000 gross registered tons? No. It has to do with interior space. And again, I'm not an engineer. So, what it means is that Oasis is bigger inside in a short version. However, the fact of the matter is, this is a big ship. It is big, believe me, I'm getting my steps in. It's a very modern ship. It's tech savvy. I love this ship. I actually love this ship. A lot to do for kids, a lot to do for adults. Food's good. Back streets back, all right. Da-da-da-da-da. Hey, speaking of that, the entertainment on here is pretty good too. Went to the rock show last night, met the cruise director. Now you're gonna say, hey, I've read some reviews. Listen, people tend to complain on reviews. They rarely say good things. This is the adults only pool back here. How you doing today, my friend? So this is the adults only area here. Oh, I gotta get to my cabin and get my stuff. I wanna be one of the first one off the ship. I don't wanna be, because if you get off at 8 o'clock or shortly thereafter, you're gonna be able to grab a chair. And if you wait, if you linger, then it's a free-for-all. So you definitely wanna, let's see if we can find the lighthouse. So this is Ocean Cay. It's not a big island, but it's a reserve. And MSC basically took this island and really made it nice.
Yeah, that's right next. Yeah.
There's actually people that live here. See, like on Half Moon Cay, they have to transport the workers from another island to Half Moon Cay. But see, the people who work here live here, and they're so they don't have to go be transported to another island. But it's a very small island. Boy, I tell you something, being here, seeing it, if you look at videos, it seems like it's 18 miles to the lighthouse, but I mean it's a quick walk. All right, so I'm gonna go to my cabin and get my stuff so I can be one of the first people off the ship. a good friend of mine, Rocky Sievers, taught me years ago, hey Scott, you know, get off in the cool of the day, find a place to sit, relax, and then, you know, eat lunch and then head back to the ship. And because a lot of people, slow cup of coffee, ponder the day, 16 hours on Facebook, and then they get off like at 10:30 or 11 o'clock, they can't find a chair. You know, Caitlin is yelling at Tom, I can't find a chair, I want to sit over there, why can't Tom, and Tom's upset because Caitlin's jabbing him in the ribs because they didn't get off the ship early. Well, they didn't get off the ship early because Caitlin was taking an hour getting her hair ready and brushing her teeth and fixing her makeup and eyebrow pencil and all that stuff. Tom was ready to get off the ship at 8 o'clock in the morning, but oh no, Caitlin was, well, you know. All right, I gotta take a place here to take us out. Look at all the people on the balconies. Scott Lara, president of militaryaffairs.com, thecruisegenius.com, from Ocean Cay via the MSC Seashore. Have a great day.